How's it going, everyone? This is Evan from Drillings All Season Sports, and I am going to show you how to change your bass, your mid, and your treble, kind of things like that, to make your speakers sound a little bit more different. Everyone has a different opinion on how they want their music to sound, so we'll jump right into it. So on your ride command system, you're going to press the middle Polaris start, and it's going to bring up this screen. Next, you're going to go to all settings, and then you're gonna, I was already in there, so if you click on audio, it'll take you to this screen. You can change a lot of different things here. You can change the balance just to the left side, right side, or you could have it in the middle. You can change it from the rear to be in the rear or to be just in the front. A little bit up to everyone. Next, what we're really about is if you click on equalizer, it'll take you here. So if you want a little bit more bass in your music, you can turn it up, mid, and then trib. Everyone has a different opinion on how they want their music to sound, but this is the this is how you get here. And then if you want to change it how you sound, just play whatever song you would like, and you can go ahead and change it and adjust it to however you want.